Welcome to Cambis School of Business and Motivation. On this channel, we talk about business, talk about success, we talk about motivation. We share knowledge. So if you are new to this channel, please slash the subscribe button to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that anytime we release a video, you'll be the first person to be served. So keep watching.
Bien, pour nos amis francophones, je l'ai déjà dit dans une de mes vidéos, afin de réduire la durée des vidéos, vous verrez la traduction plutôt. Je ne vais plus faire une traduction de ce que j'ai dit en anglais, peut-être vers la fin de la vidéo, mais plutôt vous verrez une traduction de la vidéo sur, c'est-à-dire que sous la vidéo, il suffit d'activer votre CC Closed Captions, sous-titres à côté du paramètre ici. Par exemple, quand j'appuie ici, voilà. Donc c'est ça la traduction qui est apparue en français. Voilà, bienvenue à l'école des affaires et de motivation de Cambis, parlant de business, blablabla. Donc c'est ça. Donc si vous suivez, vous regardez la vidéo et que il n'y a pas la traduction qui apparaît, vous activez simplement votre closed captions, sous-titres ici, et ça vient. Donc c'est ça. Quand j'appuie ici encore, ça disparaît. Voilà. J'appuie encore, ça apparaît. Voilà. Donc c'est comme ça, il faut activer son sous-titre. Comme ça, vous aurez la traduction tranquillement. Merci et restez connectés.
Good morning everyone, welcome once again to this channel. This episode is about iMarketing, an update after the meeting of 21st August, that is last Saturday. There were a lot of things on the platform, iMarketing, Telegram page. We are able to pull some important messages that we want to bring to you in this update. After the meeting of 21st August, there were some points that were raised by everyone. The concerns raised and the plans and the progress of work they have been doing to restore everything back. I think before we go to the 21st August meeting, the update, let's look at the meeting of 15th August. You know, there was a meeting on the 15th August, even before we try to reactivate our robots. So let's look at the 15th August meeting. This is 15th August meeting. 15th August, I think this is what I put to here. Okay, iMarketing press release. iMarketing interim reports on the normalization of the situation. So point 1, completed point of the plan. You know, initially they put out the plan, the work plan to restore the platform. So here we are, a completed point of the plan. The company has completed plan 1 of the work restoration plan, and they launched a new cashback platform, that is cashbackpro.biz, to be able to generate links to goods that will not be blocked by providers and research services. So we'll come to the Cashback Pro to see if it has been launched. Work progress. As part of the implementation of point 2 and 3 of the plan, the process of transferring customer balances to card balances was launched in order to fix the company's obligations. This allows us to begin the process of recreating ad campaigns for unspent ad balances before the issue with refund account is resolved. You will see the balances transferred from the green card to the corresponding account under the card in the previous campaign section. So point 1, unspent. So this is what we have seen now under our card: unspent account, unspent advertising budget, cashback available, and that's cashback which has been already verified by retailers, pending cashback account, cashback that has not yet been verified by retailers. So these ones, they have been done. Is plenty because of time. I'll put the link under the video so that you go to the platform and read it fully. So let's see. This is the new website they talk about that have been launched. Let's look at it and see how what is there. So this is a Cashback Pro account. Let's sign in to see if it is the same thing with the iMarketing platform. Already you can see that this is the brain of the normal iMarketing platform, you know. So this is the brain of the normal iMarketing that we know, that is now showing here on cashbackpro.biz. Alright, as we can see, this is the Cashback Pro Biz platform. So let's see if there is the same thing with the iMarketing platform. Let's see if it's the same thing with the iMarketing platform. Let's come here. Okay, this is the balance. It's iMarketing platform. So this is the balance, 255.81. Let's see Cashback Pro. Okay, this is the same thing. On the card is pending balance of
cash back to this the credit balance, exactly the same thing. So it's almost the same thing that is here. I think they are the work progress is on. The work progress is on because almost they are all the same thing. If you see, that is the card. That is the card. Just that this previous campaign thing are not here yet. But I think the work is going on, so we just have to be a little patient for them to update all the accounts. As you know, they have 3 million plus accounts, and so far half of the 3 million has been done. So I think if yours has not been done, I'm pretty sure it will be done soon. As you can see now, so this is the new platform. So they'll be moving the data gradually onto it, so that they can ensure smooth running of the platform. So this is the plan for 15 August that has been completed. Let's look at the meeting of 21st August. Briefing of representative of the iMarketing company with the leaders of the partner network. 21st August. You launch a website. Not all functions are fully functional yet, as you can see. We are still working on some highlights: bonuses for leaders, payments using bank card, transfer of the balance of fund to card accounts, launch of advertising campaigns on unspent budgets, cash back recovery. So we are working on these issues, and it will take some more time for everything to return to normal. We experienced some difficulties with transactions in April from August 15 to 18. So I think this is a time where the robots were being activated, and they asked to top up a little amount of cash for the robot to be activated. So if you didn't watch my previous video, the link is up there. Just click and go and see the video how we activated our robot. So some people sent money to their account through Ethereum and USDT, which didn't work. So I think this the issue they mentioned here. So August to 15 due to an error in the transfer of information from the processing site to our site. So we are aware of the situation. All affected accounts have been identified, and the fund will be created by Wednesday. So by Wednesday. So Wednesday 25th August. So people who didn't get their money, get it transferred into their accounts, can check on the 25th August to see if that's been done. So a lot of things are mentioned at that meeting. A lot of questions also have been asked, and answers were given. So I'll put the link, like I said, I'll put the link there on my Telegram platform. My Telegram link is down the video. Just have to go to the Telegram page, and you get the link. So from the 31st August meeting, to summarize that, I have here like what the main point is: unspent budget for campaign ad will be activated. So will be activated by 25th August. So by 25th August, the unspent budget will be reactivated for the robot to start the campaign. And like they said, accounts are many, and they are in the progress. So we'll check 25th August to see if some of the campaigns starts. So like they say, fund withdraw through the card.
that one within 2 weeks or so. They mentioned that somewhere in the meeting is meaning you just have to read it and see it's somewhere. That fund will be withdrawn. They mentioned that fund withdrawal by the card will start in 2 weeks time, but for now we prefer be with we prefer withdrawing our funds by Bitcoin or if possible bank transfer instead of the card. So they also mentioned that the cashback on the card, the cashback before the problem started, the cashback that is frozen. The cashback account has been frozen, as you can see in the under the card. What is under the card here? Under the card, the unspent campaign budget. No. So under the card, some people have some cash back. Yeah, the cash back before the problem started. So those who have some cash back already there, they said the cash back account has been frozen for now, and they are working towards that for restoring it. But if it takes long, they will use the protect fund. You know, they will use the protect funds to pay the cash back. That is what they mentioned at the meeting. So that's what they mentioned at the meeting. So so now what is the protect fund? Protect fund, I don't know. Protect fund, let me quickly talk about the protect fund. The protect fund is for instance, if iMarketing, if after sales, you know, the cash buy is split into two, 55% and 45% for the profit. So for instance, if the sales is $100 and the cash back is, let's say, 50, so you know the profit is 50, or your cash back that is 50. So 55% goes to the investors to win, and 45% actually goes to iMarketing. So in that 45%, this is how they do. The 45%, they put 22.5% in the protect fund. You know, it's just like some back account. So 22.5% go into the protect fund, and 22.5% come to iMarketing team. So that is for the running and the development of the project. Good. So the 22.5% that is in the protect fund, that is what they say they will use to pay our cash back. So if they are saying that if that 22.5% that they have actually is not enough, so what they are going to do is that from now on, all the sales that will come, instead of we having 55% and they have 45%, where the protect funds that they split, the protect fund 22.5% will be added to our 55%. So that means if in the process of paying our cash back is not enough, so the future sales will have 77.5%, and the iMarketing team will have 22.5% for a while, to allow
them to pay all the cash back. So meaning that maybe in the future, so we'll be having that 70.5%, and there will be no like protect fund for a while. They will not be putting the 22.5% in the protect fund for a while. So that is what I can summarize from that meeting. I will, like I said, the link will be put in my Telegram page, so you can go there and then take the link, go to their page, and read everything that was put up so far. So this is what I have for you for this update. We'll keep an eye on this issue and update you appropriately. So please, thank you for watching. If you are a new to this channel, or you are a returning viewer, please select the subscribe button to subscribe, and activate the notification bell so that you will not miss the next video. Please, if what we do pleases you, don't forget to give us a thumb up, like and share the video. Thank you and keep safe.